What LifterLMS Groups is it allows you to offer training to groups of people where a group leader, like a business, a school, a government, a family, really any kind of group you can think of, can invite people into their group to take their training. The most exciting thing about the upcoming release, all that you're seeing now already exists with LifterLMS Groups, but our next release has automated the checkout, the e-commerce component, and the initial setup of the group's page for the group admin and group leaders to get started setting up how they want. I'm just going to do a quick demo for you here today. So I'm going to go to my courses and let's find a course to demonstrate on. We'll do the residential real estate investing course. What you could do here is you would just click edit course. And then what we want to do is go down and check out some new features that are a part of Lifter LMS access plans. This is where you can allow not just one person to buy and get their one seat, but allow a group buyer to purchase and then start inviting their people in. So if we go down here into the access plans, you can see we have enabled group enrollment. So if I turn that off, I'll click save. And if we go back up, you can see it's just an a la carte course at the $500 price point. I'm going to open an incognito window and open our page here. And you can see it's just a regular $500 course, just able to be purchased one off, one at a time. So what we're going to do is we're going to go back as a WordPress admin and we're going to edit the course, jump down to the access plans. And here what we're going to do, and this is what's coming with the future groups release with automated e-commerce and setup, we are going to say, yes, allow this access plan to be used for group enrollment. Now there's a couple different options you have here. You could do a fixed number of seats. Let's say you only offer like 10 seat groups. You could do that. We're going to do variable seats. And we'll say the minimum number of seats you can get is one, or you could get 100 or even 1,000. So we're going to have the price here at $500 per seat. So I'll go ahead and click save on these access plans. And we're saving there. Now, if we jump back over and refresh the page in our logged out view of the site, you can see that now we can enter a number of seats we would like to buy in this course. So I'm going to say I'm going to buy 100 seats. And you can see how that changed the price to 5,000. That was actually 10 seats. Let's do 100. So that's $50,000 for those seats. I'm going to click enroll. And I'm just going to put in some information here. And you can see I'm going to check out for 100 seats. I even have one more chance to update this amount if I wanted. So if I wanted to do, let's say, 200 seats, you can see it dynamically updates right there. But we're just going to purchase 100 seats for $50,000. I'm going to enter my credit card. And we'll go ahead and click buy now. So that's me as a group buyer purchasing 100 seats for $50,000 through an LMS website powered by Lifter LMS. You can see I've made it in. I can instantly start setting up my group. So I'm putting in a group banner image and I'm going to put my company logo in. You can see this group has access to this course. And I'm going to start inviting other people into the LMS. I could put in individual email addresses. I can invite other administrators, leaders, or just regular team members into my company to start taking this course. I'm going to enable the magic link. This is the easiest way for me just to share out that link to 100 of my employees by email so that they can register, get access to the group, and I can view the reporting as they start taking the course.